Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Assembly for the 9th of November. It is Remembrance Sunday as I'm recording this, so remember that and we'll come back to that. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We want everybody to be trying their best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes, so that we can improve and make progress, and so that we use our education to help us to make excellent choices as we go forward in our lives, and we never give up. So our question that we always ask ourselves is, what is true strength and how can we become stronger? And we know there's physical strength, which is our body, and we know there's character strength, which is the strength of our character, of our attitude. And physical strength, it helps us overcome physical challenges and it helps us win physical battles. But character strength, well, that helps us overcome any challenge, and that helps us to win any battle in the end, and that helps us to live a great and meaningful, good life. So at Grange, we know that true strength is character strength, and we can actually work on that and make our character strength even stronger. So we started off by looking at wisdom, and we said wisdom is really thinking deeply and learning from everything, from all the experiences in your life, including your mistakes. And we said that wisdom is made up of other strengths, such as love of learning and curiosity. And love of learning is really enjoying every opportunity you get to learn and making the most of it. So when you come to school, you make the most. Every time you're in a lesson, you think, I am going to enjoy this lesson. I'm going to get something out of this lesson. I'm going to really love what I am learning. And curiosity is, I really want to find out more. Every time I hear something that's interesting, well, I want to go and research. I want to go study. I want to find out a bit more. And I want to see if it'll help me to grow in my life. And that's wisdom. And that wisdom really helps you to live a great life. And we started speaking about courage. And courage, we said, well, it can mean all sorts of things. But courage, we gave a few examples. It can be willing to learn new things, not being afraid to have a go, and not being afraid to improve. Courage can mean taking your time to make up your mind, even when other people are pushing you and telling you what they think you should do, but you take your time to really think it through and think, is this a good thing that I should be doing? Courage can mean learning from your mistakes. Nobody enjoys making a mistake, but if you say, let me learn from this so that I do better next time, that takes courage. It certainly improves your life, and it is certainly character strength. And courage can also be saying sorry and starting again, really from your heart, saying, I'm truly sorry, I want to start again. That can take a lot of courage, but certainly lead to a greater and meaningful life. Now, in this picture over here, we can see, well, I tell you what I see. I see people swimming with the current, and the current is the flow of the water, the strength of the water. Like if you get into the sea, you'll see that the sea pulls in a certain way, or a river, and that's called the current, the direction in which the water is flowing. And it's much easier to swim with the current. But you can see somebody in the middle over here who has made a decision to do something very difficult, and they've had to be very brave to do that. They are swimming against the current. They are swimming against the flow, and they are swimming that way because they have consciously stopped and been brave and made a decision. And that's what we're talking about, bravery. And bravery is really about being prepared to have a go and not saying, well, because I'm scared, I'm not going to have a go. If you say, no, I realize that this is something that is good and positive, I should have a go, and you decide to have a go at it, that is bravery. So here are some actions that can help us to train us to live brave lives. We can consciously decide that we are not going to be pushed into decisions. We take a time to decide, is this the right thing for me to do? And then we go for it. So that's a brave thing to do, to take your time to make your own mind up and to be ready to do it. It takes bravery to be kind to everybody. So you're going to do something and you say to yourself, I'm going to truly be kind to everybody, not just the people that people think are popular, or somebody that people think, oh, they are, I need them. I'm going to be kind to everybody. And then also to be confident. If you can really say to yourself, I am going to believe in myself, I'm going to be confident in myself, I won't let anybody take down my confidence or knock my confidence, I will really, really be confident, and you work at that. Well, those are bravery actions. And I think it's really important for us to actually realize, while I'm recording this, it is Remembrance Sunday, which is the Sunday before the 11th of November, 11th of the 11th. And you might have seen the poppies around. This year it was harder with coronavirus to see the poppies. But the poppies are a symbol of, even when we go through the most terrible things, terrible, terrible tragedies such as war, when people fight and have to make their ultimate sacrifice, even sometimes give up their lives, afterwards, after the terrible war comes peace, and peace, as it says in the poem, the poppies grew there, and the poppies are a symbol of hope, that even during the most difficult times, peace can come, and we can work towards peace, and we must work towards peace and bring hope. It takes real bravery to say, I am working towards something, I'm working towards peace, I'm working towards what is good, to live one's life according to that. So that's bravery, and that's part of the Grange CC Way. And we know what the Grange CC Way is, that we want everybody to feel confident and believe in themselves, and also to be considerate and care about the world. And that's a philosophy for life. That is actually a philosophy that we have decided on at Grange, and said to ourselves that we really want everybody to live this way, so that they can actually have enjoyable and meaningful lives. We've got Grange CC lining up, which really helps us to be ready and focused for whatever we've got to do. We've got Grange CC walking, which helps us to walk proudly, but also at the same time be caring and safe, so that we don't bump into anybody else, and also so that we are quiet, so that people can carry on with their learning. In our school, it can be a place we all enjoy and be really proud of. And also we've got Grange CC Learning, which is about being your very own best friend and making great decisions for yourself, so you can really enjoy your life and do well in your life. You can be your best. You can enjoy your learning. You can sit quietly when it's appropriate, when you should be doing good listening. You can talk when it's appropriate, when you're supposed to participate and join in your learning according to your teacher. And we can also improve by learning from our mistakes and use feedback. We have the purple pen strategy at Grange, and that is something really, really good, because we can always use feedback to improve, and we can engage. That's the bravery we're talking about. Not being scared to have a go and be our best, because we will only improve if we are brave and have a go. So the stars of the week last week, well, gold went to Evelina and Blessing and Harun and Mirthiga, which is fantastic. Well done to all of them. Well done. And the Grange House of Water, 2,410 points last week. We had Devesh Pirahatis with 23, Ilya with 24, Pharrell with 25, Ikram with 25, Nora with 25, Furkan, Sakina, Agash, Abdullah A, Subair all with 26, Zara with 28, Aliyah with 29, and Parisa with 29, Zara with 30, Cosmina with 30, and Anna O with 31 points. Well done, Grange House of Water. More, Blinert, Ayat with 31, Mariama, Maruna with 32, Wissam with 33, that's fantastic, brilliant work. Ayana with 34, Diana 37, Bavita 44, Shaili 48, and Aliyah with 50 points. Well done, House of Water. House of Fire, 2,597 points, and we have Isaac on 19, Princess 23, Amos 25, Angela, Farhad, Rushil, Shana, Vishwesh, Soraya all with 26, Danya with 27, Elias, Medina, Simon with 29, Hewad, Harun with 30, Alfie, excellent, and Samia and Serena, Alfie and Samia with 33, and Serena with 37, excellent, and Vinaya and Patrick on 37, Murthiga on 43, and Yamindi on 43, Eric on 51, Jalsa on 53, and Hader with a fantastic 60 points. Well done. And we have the Grange House of Air, 2,409 points. We've got Mustafa O on 19 points. Great to see you there. Mora Shema on 21 points. Nicolette on 22. Sana on 22. That's Sana S. Ibra 23. Dua 24. Excellent. Krasian and Shravan on 26. And Ajay 26. Bianca 27 points. That's excellent. Abdullah D 27 points. Brilliant. Nur 29 points. Diraj Bashir Sabreen 29 points, Arzu 30 points, Dara 31 points, Blessing 34 points, Jackie 35, Dana K 37, Sarah 38, Mario 39, excellent, Kiana and Masood on 40 points, and Reza on 42, and Faris excellent on 54 points. Grange House of Earth got 2,702 points. They had Zikrea and Hejran on 19, Maha Asia, Sana H on 21, Samra on 23, Ali G, Wasim, Alex on 23, Ibrahim on 24, Zohaib on 25, Danusha, Lion, I10, Stefania, Divian, Dikshan, all on 26, Michelle on 27, and Jabril, Habiz, Anushanth on 29, Sina, Ayman, Ayub, Sumaya all on 30, Anastasia, Lala 32, Lena 33, Sarwa 37, Jody 41, that is really great to see, Adam on 45, brilliant, Alicia, a fantastic 56, Evelina 70, brilliant, Rice 78, and Tebarek 103 points. I think that's the first time we've had an individual pupil score over 100 points in a week. Well done, Tebarek. So the whole Grange community, 10,118 points, which is absolutely brilliant. And so who were my Mr. Kerbel's classy classes? Well, Mandela class, look at you, 639 points. And Luther King, a fantastic 748, but the classy class of the week last week was Churchill class with 996 points. Fantastic, just 4 more points to break 1,000. Maybe you can do that next week, Churchill class. We've only had one class before to break the 1,000 points barrier, and that was Tubman class. Churchill class, you're so class, keep going. So in autumn 1, our total was 47,561 points. So our target for autumn 2, let's see if we can beat the 47,561 and have 50,000 points. So last half term, Freddie visited us for how brilliant we'd been, getting our 47,561. This half term, we're working towards a visit from Real Reindeer for Christmas. So do your bit, have courage, be brave, and have a go at your learning. Be a great Grange CC learner. I'm looking forward to Christmas already. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Our Grange philosophy. Let's have a great week ahead. Enjoy it. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.